Hi everyone, welcome back to the Declarative Academy, your go-to channel for mastering Salesforce the easy way. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tutorial. Today, we are diving into Customize a Sales Path, a trailhead module designed to help you guide your sales team through the opportunity stages with clarity and consistency. By the end of this session, you'll be able to create a sales process, set up record types, build a customized sales path to help reps close deals efficiently. Before we proceed, I would like to encourage you to watch the video provided on the Trailhead page. It goes in depth into the core concepts to help you understand what it is and why it is important. The video also includes how to configure it, so I highly recommend giving it a go. It's around half an hour long, but, in my opinion, worth it. Alright, let's get started. Let's talk about sales paths. Imagine you're hiking a trail. You follow a path to stay on course and reach your destination. In the sales world, a sales path functions the same way, guiding reps through the necessary steps to close a deal without getting lost in the process. In Salesforce Lightning, the path component is available on records like opportunities, leads, campaigns, and even custom objects. For this tutorial, we're focusing on opportunities. Now, let's build the foundation, starting with the sales process. Click on the Setup Gear icon to navigate to the Setup page. In the Quick Find box, type Sales Processes and select it from the drop-down options. Click on the New button to start creating your sales process. Fill in the following details. For the existing sales process, choose Master. Sales process, name, enter B2B sales process. Description, provide a short overview. Let's use what was provided in the brief. Process for logging sales data for B2B opportunities. Once you've entered these details, click Save to confirm your new sales process. Now, let's customize the sales stages to better align. Under the Selected Values section, highlight the following stages. Value proposition, 50% probability. Identification of decision makers, 60%. Perception analysis, 70%. Then click Remove to move them to the available values list, refining your sales process. Then click Save once more to finalize your changes. And just like that, you've successfully created a customized sales process tailored for B2B opportunities. Next, we need to create a record type. Think of this as a category that helps define how different sales processes behave. Here's how to create a B2B opportunities record type. First, open Setup and navigate to the Object Manager. Next, locate and select Opportunity. Once you're in the Opportunity settings, scroll down until you find Record Types and then click on New. Now, it's time to fill in the details. For the existing record type, select Master. In the record type label, enter B2B opportunities. Then, choose the sales process, which should be B2B sales process. For the description, write Used to log B2B opportunities. Make sure to set Active to Yes. Next, under Make Available, you'll want to deselect everything except for Standard User and System Administrator. Click Next and ensure that Apply One Layout to All Profiles is selected. Finally, select Opportunity Layout and click Save. And that's it. Your new record type for B2B opportunities is now set up and ready to use. Now, it's your turn. Head over to Trailhead and complete the hands-on challenge by applying what we just covered. If you've already followed along, take a moment to verify your steps while I recap of what we learned today. We created a sales process to define opportunity stages. We built a record type to organize different sales workflows. We're now ready to customize a sales path to enhance our sales team's experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and let us know what Salesforce topics you'd like us to cover next. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more Salesforce tutorials. Until next time, happy trailblazing.